Hey guys, welcome back to my world. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make these 2 cornrow braids. So if you're interested, stay tuned for more. So I'm starting out with hair that's been in a ponytail for a really long time, and you don't have to stretch your hair here. However, if you have smaller hair than mine, it might be a good idea to stretch it. Okay, so the first step is to create a part down the middle, all the way from the front to the back. Now I kept things really simple. However, depending on how advanced you are, you can definitely make a zigzag down the middle here, or create 2 small little braids going down the middle. So you can really jazz it up as you like. Then I proceed to put one side away. So here I'm applying beeswax. It's really just meant to help the hair kind of stay together while I'm braiding. You can definitely use gel if that's what you prefer, or just simply put edge control on your edges and start braiding. I didn't want too much product on my hair, so I just kept it simple with the beeswax. And then I'm gonna proceed to brush my hair. Again, this is just to make sure that my hair stays together while I braid. So to begin braiding, I sometimes will start out by sectioning out a little bit of hair at the front, and then splitting that section into 3 smaller sections, equal parts or equal sections. And that just helps to make sure that my braids look nice and consistent. When you don't have 3 equal parts in your braiding, it can cause your braids to look lumpy and jagged, and we don't want that, so yeah. While braiding, guys, it is important to, just slowly take your time and detangle along the way as you go. You don't want to rush it, and you don't want to cause damage to your hair by, going fast and rushing things. So just take your time and detangle as you go. Now on to the other side, and we are literally repeating the same steps. So applying the beeswax first, and then going in with a brush or a small tooth comb to brush the hair and then begin braiding. Now for the ends, I just took one end and pinned it next to the other braid. You can be more creative here, and I do have another video where I show different creative ways of, styling your ends. So that's it, y'all. This is a really easy, simple, natural hairstyle, and it's great for moments when you do not want to do anything elaborate to your hair and you just want to keep things simple.